Hi everyone, welcome back to my mesmerizing world of nail art by my YouTube channel Beauty is Joy Forever. Dear viewers, I am again here with a captivating YouTube video. I invite you to embark on a journey through the enchanting realm of the gorgeous nail paint designs and arts. So get ready to be inspired as we showcase a stunning collection of creative and artistic nail art ideas and design that will leave you in awe. So, dear viewers, get ready to transform your nails into a canvas of the self expression and unlock a world of endless possibilities. So don't miss out on this artistic adventure. Hit that play button and let the magic unfold. Please subscribe my channel and share this video if you like this video. And your comments is also very valuable for me. So comment to me. By this video, you can see all the unique ideas of intricate floral patterns to dazzling geometric shapes. In this video, you can see transforming the ordinary nails into miniature masterpieces. Watch in awe as we take you through a visual feast of the colors, textures, and designs that will ignite your imagination and make your nails a true work of art. So enjoy this video and keep the ideas. By this video begins by introducing you to the basics of the nail art, providing useful tips and tricks for achieving a flawless and long-lasting designs. Learn about essential ideas, designs, and very eye-catching techniques that will help you create your own stunning nail art at your home. Whether you are a beginner or a nail art lover, all have got something for everyone. Immerse yourself in the world of nail paint design as we show you a diverse range of styles and themes in this video. Marvel at the delicate details of the floral motifs. Be amazed by the precision of the intricate laces patterns